How far can our thoughts take us? Number 1. Understanding the brain, a cognitive science perspective. Cognitive science provides a window into the workings of the brain, integrating insights from psychology, neuroscience, and philosophy. By understanding how the brain processes information, we can develop methods to improve memory, attention, and decision-making abilities. This understanding forms the foundation for enhancing cognitive capabilities. Throughout history, great minds have unlocked secrets of the universe.